Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to get notifications when someone posts on Facebook. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right in the video. It's really simple and easy, so make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is open up your Facebook and be sure to log into your account. And once you have logged in, scroll down until you find a page or the person that you want to get notified while they post a certain picture or comment. So let me just select this one, the Value Homes. Now all you got to do is select the three dot icon, and now here under these all options you'll see an option with a bell icon that says turn on notifications for this post. Now just tap on that, and now while the Value Homes pages post a photo or something, it will get notified in my Facebook account as well. And that's basically how you do it. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.